Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of push-ups, a classic exercise that's not only effective, but also versatile. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced fitness buff, a push-up is a fantastic way to strengthen your upper body. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, let's get started on the right foot. 1. Start in the plank position. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Your hands should be directly beneath your shoulders and your feet hip-width apart. 2. Engage your core muscles by bringing your stomach in towards your spine and keeping your glutes tight. This will help keep you stable throughout the movement. 3. Lower yourself slowly by bending your elbows, keeping them close to your sides and pointing towards the back of the room. Aim to lower yourself until your chest is an inch or two away from the ground. No need to touch it. 4. Push yourself back up by straightening out your arms and keeping them locked out at the top for more stability and power. 5. And there you have it. 1 push-up complete. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to improving, so keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep pushing yourself.